Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. I hope you guys been doing great. This is Zach here. Alright guys, so I've decided to purchase a new camera for my YouTube video. So reason being is because I feel that I really needed to upgrade the video quality and also the content moving forward to 2022. Alright, I love you guys so much because you guys have been supporting me, right, with all the subscribes, and all the comments. I know you guys have been fantastic, so that's why I decided to put in more effort, okay, to make this channel even better one, to help you guys make more informed purchase decision, and of course sharing more gaming videos for you guys as well. Alright, so so today's video is just more about unboxing this the Sony A7 4. Alright, so this is the latest model by Sony, right? It's a hybrid camera. So the reason why I decided to buy this is also because I'll also be doing product shots, on my, for my Instagram, and also for my YouTube thumbnails and all that. I feel that I am also, actually a hybrid shooter, right? So also I'll be doing, outdoor shootings as well. I'm trying to pick up as well, right? So that's why I decided to go with this. I did tons of research between a few models, so that's why I decided to go with the A7 IV, right, from Sony, right? So today's video is just more of the unboxing experience, what's inside the box, right, and what are the documents there, etc., what's the accessories. So I will have another video, all right, to talk about my my field as a newbie photographer and videographer. So if you are like me, right, if you're new, all right, into the photography and the videography industry, or the hobby, so do check out my video, all right, my future video. I'm going to give you a sense of what I feel as a very new video and photography user. Okay, right, so without further ado guys, I'm going to unbox this box for you guys. I'm also actually as much as excited as you guys, right? So let's go and unbox this. All right, so this is, I'm going to maybe I'll show you the box first. So this is the front. Okay, so here comes with the Sony the product shots. Okay, all right, so I don't think there's anything else. So here says the Sony A7 IV, right? So I think nothing much already. So let me just open up the box for you guys. All right, so let me just turn this around. Okay, so the first thing when you take out, right, all right, so you have the charger, right? So this is the charger. Okay, right, so you have a few, right? So you have the UK, right? And then this I think this is for the charger, right? So do keep in mind guys, if you're planning to buy this as a new as a first timer, right, okay, so it doesn't come with a charger, so I have to buy a third-party charger, right? So I'll share with you guys what is the third-party charger, and I think it costs I think cost lesser than the original Sony charger. So right, so I'm going to share with you guys. Right, so here are some documents. Right, I'll refer to it when I have time. Okay, so also inside the box, I think this is the, I'm not sure if this is the battery, guys. Let me just take a look. I think this is the cable, right? So this is the cable. So USB A to the USB C, right? So you can charge it. Okay, all right, so I think that's about it. So yeah, I think that's it for the outer layer. Okay, all right, so let me just move on to the inner layer. Everything I like about Sony, right, is they are all in boxes. You see very little plastic, guys, right? So the next thing, right, the next thing is you have the strap itself, right? So this is the strap, leather strap. I'm not going to use that lah. I'm going to use the another one, right, which I ordered from Shopee. Okay, so this is the battery itself. I think this is the FZ100. Okay, so when you guys are buying the this the battery, right, so do remember to keep a lookout like what kind of this one, right? So you just need to make sure that it's the FZ100. So the charger that you buy, right, okay, it needs to be able to charge this model. So I'm not sure whether the other chargers, those that charger that charge the FZ50. I know 50 is the older version if I'm not wrong. So just make sure that you select the charger, the third party charger if you're buying third party that supports FZ100 model battery. Right, so let me just take a look. Right, so this is the charger itself. Okay, no, this is not a charger, sorry. This is, I think this is the brick or something. Right, so I'm not sure what is this. I think this is supposed to connect to this, right? And then you charge it. You charge your cable, your battery. So that means this one you plug to this, right? Which is the UK plug in this case. Alright, and then you plug the charger, the Sony original charger or the third party charger. So I think they come with a USB-A, so you just plug it in and charge it, right? So I believe this is the adapter. I don't know why they didn't include a charger. I think it's very odd, right? So I guess they thought that whoever just purchased this one is already a photographer and videographer, so you know, just to save the environment, they don't want to provide too much charger. Right, so alright, so moving forward, okay, so this is the I actually bought the kit set, the body and the lens set. So here is the lens. Yeah, so here it is. Okay, as you can see, right, so it's covered by the cloth. Right, so the reason why I buy this, right, is because I just wanted to get something to get me started, right? But after I bought this kit, right, I bought another Sigma lens, which I'm going to do another unboxing video for you guys. Okay, so right, so here is the camera body itself. Okay, let me just take it out nicely and steady. Okay, so this is the camera body itself, right? So initial feel quite steady, right? This is my first DSLR, by the way. So I haven't had any DSLR. So anyway, I also purchased a screen protector for this. Right, so the reason that I wanted to buy this as well, right, is because of this function. Right, so you can, as you can see, you can rotate the screen. Right, you can flip this way, you know, and then you can flip this side. So the reason why this is very important to me, right, is when I'm doing video shoot, right, especially for YouTube video, I want to see where my position is. So this really helps me a lot, right? So that's the one of the deciding factor. And of course, this has higher megapixels, you know, and this is also very good for video shooting as well, other than photography, of course. Right, so that's the reason why I picked this model. Right, so yeah, I think that's about it. I'll go into more detail on the features, you know, of this camera. I'll share with you guys after I done a few videos with it, because right now I can't give you a really ideal feedback, right? Because I haven't used it itself. Of course, there's other reviewers who have done it as well, but I mean, for myself, I will want to use it, share with you guys my thoughts as a newbie videographer photographer experience, right? Because I'm still learning all the terminologies for video, for all the cameras, you know, functions and all that, right? So I think that's about it. Let me just put in all the items for you guys to take a look. Right, so this is the camera itself. I hope you guys can see. Right, so it comes with 2 sets of cable. Right, so let me just take it out everything. So this is the charger, only one charger, guys. Okay, I didn't buy extra is because I don't think I need a new an extra cable for charger for now. Right, so let me just put it in and share with you guys. Let me just put in here, and here. Right, the camera is a bit shaky, guys. Okay, right, so that's it. All right, for the Sony A7 IV, these are all the items in the box. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. So as I mentioned in my earlier part of the video, do subscribe to my channel. Alright, I'll be uploading another video which has a review for this camera after I use it for I think probably a month or so, right? So basically in the next few videos moving forward, you guys will be seeing me recording using the Sony A7. I won't be using my Samsung S21 Ultra anymore, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, alright, and do hit the subscribe button if you like my video, and please stay safe, guys. Bye.